Hi guys, welcome to Anime News. Today we'll be talking about Naruto, Boruto, the Naruto movie, and my top 5 things about this movie. My first best is that this movie is not about Naruto. Like it's partially about Naruto, but still, it's the movie is over Boruto. So we know, as known, Boruto is the son of Naruto, and I personally don't like the animes who change their main characters frequently, but I also don't like the animes who just run the same character over and over and over and over again. The main character is the only person who can fight. I like Dragon Ball Z for this reason, as Dragon Ball Z changes its main character. Like the main character is obviously Goku, but like the side characters can also be the main characters when Goku dies, as Goku had many deaths, and many side characters who became the main characters also had deaths. So it's like I really like this thing that they are not repeating the same character over and over again. My second point is that Naruto and Hinata marry, and Sasuke and who was that? Yeah, Sakura married. I like this, as I knew that this would happen in the midway, but still I'm very happy about this. We got to know about this in the first part, I guess, in the in the last part of Naruto Shippuden, and like I read some part of the manga of the new Naruto series, but still I will now actually be able to see in the movie how they spend their life, though I know some part of it, and it won't be very good, but I am still very eager to know this. And the third one is that Boruto has a greater dream than his father Naruto. Do you remember the first time Naruto's dream was to become the greatest Hokage and all those stuff, and he really did not know about the Nine Tails and his father being the third Hokage and those things. So Naruto over here is like had a big dream, but his son has a more greater dream. And in the trailer, which is in the description below, you will see that Naruto, that what was I? Oh, I just forgot. Wait a minute. Let me see. Yeah. Wait. So really, my script just flew away, and I had to pause it and cough for a little time and then bring it back. So yeah, I was like Naruto and Boruto are like very similar, and I guess Naruto would die over here, as there's a part of the trailer where I saw Naruto telling Sasuke that keep my son safe or like something like that, but it was very related to it. So that time I was very emotional. So over there, the starting of the trailer, yeah, I suppose I was over here. At the starting of the trailer, it was like Naruto, the great seventh. The starting was like Naruto, the great seventh Hokage, saved this and that. Then suddenly a balloon pops, and then Boruto from the back says that I will be greater than this guy or man. So it was like he wants to become a greater Hokage than Naruto, which is impossible currently, as Naruto is like has the power of the god in the Naruto universe. So that's too much power that Naruto has. So that's pretty good, I guess. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Boruto has a greater dream than his father, and I suppose in the midway Naruto dies, and then Boruto is very emotional, and then he just tries to avenge his father and something like that. My number 4 point is a very crucial point, that no overpowered characters. We have we have had a lot of trouble in the past few decades about overpower characters like in Dragon Ball Z. So to all Dragon Ball Z fans, even I am a Dragon Ball Z fans, but we have to accept the truth. Dragon Ball Z has a lot of overpowered characters, but that Naruto does not have. So I am actually looking forward that the creator will change or wouldn't change and make any character overpowered, and I feel that till now he has done a great job by not overpowering his characters, and like Sasuke, Sakura and Naruto are on the same level currently, so I like that. And my fifth point is that the emotional that you are like attached to an anime. So you're attached to an anime, and I'm looking very forward to that much, as for a long time I didn't see any animes, as I'm waiting for the Dragon Ball Super to be released and this Naruto's movie. So I'm pretty much hyped about it. So I haven't had a like great time with with animes currently, as I have to study for my exams and those stuff. And you know what? Tomorrow is my exam, so it's like I was like I had many exams. So now, like previously, I used to watch a lot of anime. So and I used to cry after a anime character died, or I have an emotional attachment to the animes, but which I don't have now. So after the release of Dragon Ball Super and Naruto, I think so I will get my feelings and the emotionalness about animes back. So thank you guys. Meet you next time.